Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to use your phone as remote for your Roku TV, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. Now first things first, you want to come over to your phone, and on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android phone, go over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Click on the search icon at the bottom, and then from the top search bar you just want to go ahead and search for Roku. So just type Roku. And once you type Roku, then click on the search icon, you're going to see tons of applications that can work as a remote control for your Roku TV. So at this point, you just want to go ahead and select any of the options. Personally, I recommend you download and install the one by Roku over here. You can literally see the app. Just go ahead and select this one from the Google Play Store. Depending on your region, you might also be able to find the official Roku app from the Google Play Store, but it is actually a restricted application, so it is available in some regions, and in some regions you won't be able to find it. So you can go ahead and get the official one or just use this one. It works pretty well, and I have actually tried it, and that is why I'm recommending it. Just as good as the official Roku app. Now once you have it, you just want to make sure you download and install it, and once it is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up from over here. The setup process is quite simple, and you don't also have to pay for it, so you can just click on the cancel icon at the top over here to cancel the prompt to subscribe. It will try to search for available Roku TVs it can actually connect to, but at this point you just want to make sure that both your phone and your Roku TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you do not have your Roku TV remote control and you still want to be able to connect it to Wi-Fi, same as your phone, I have made a separate tutorial on how to connect Roku TVs to Wi-Fi without the remote control. You can check the description of this video for that. But as soon as your phone and your Roku TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, just click on the devices tab. You should be able to find the name of your Roku TV or your Roku device. You can literally see mine. If you do not see the name of your Roku TV, you can as well just click on the add a device button over here to search for your Roku TV and connect to it. And at this point, you can go ahead and use this remote option over here, that is the remote tab, to simply just navigate through your Roku TV without any problem, and it works pretty well and pretty fast as well. And that is basically how to use your phone as remote for your Roku TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.